Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up shipping on your MEMIDOS seller's account. With this shipping system, you will have the following options: live rates that allow you to get the shipping rates calculated by Shippo, flat rates that allows you to set your custom shipping rates based on region, and free shipping. In this video, we will not go through the shipping method called store shipping by zone. This shipping method is only used for existing European sellers and will be gradually phased out. First, we will show you how to set up live rates via our integration to Shippo. Shippo is a shipping platform that allows you to get live shipping rates from international carriers, print out shipping labels for your shipment, and print out the commercial invoice in case your shipment is going to be exported. To set this up, it is required that you have the following data settings in order. First, make sure you have entered your company address correctly. This can be done under Settings in the Store Manager, and then under Location. Next, you will have to check the following pieces of information on your MEMIDOS profile. Make sure you have your type of tax identification and tax ID, also called a VAT number, filled out, and make sure you have filled out your EORI number if applicable. This can be done by clicking on your profile in the top right, and then clicking Additional Info. In your account settings, under Shipping, you will need to set your standard processing time. This can also be set individually per product, and you must select the Incoterm. This is by default set to DDU. Be aware that not all carriers support DDP. For more information on this, please check the knowledge base in your store manager. All your products need to have information about shipping weight and shipping dimensions filled out. You can check this by going to Products, then clicking on Edit a Product, and then clicking Shipping. Be aware that the shipping class field is only used for store shipping by zone, which is the old shipping system for European sellers. Furthermore, on all products you need to set the country of origin. This is done with the two-letter country code, also known as country code ISO 3166-2. You also need to set the tariff number, also known as the HS code, for each product. You can find this under Attributes when editing a product. Once this is done, you are ready to start setting up shipping. Before you start setting up live rates, be sure to have a carrier account with at least one of the following international carriers: FedEx, UPS, or DHL Express. You can configure shipping by accessing the Store Manager on MEMIDOS, going to Settings, and then clicking on Shipping. Here, you can enable the different shipping methods, enable live rates, and press Save. And then click Configure. You can create a Shippo account by pressing Connect with Shippo and going through the setup process. From here, you can create an account for Shippo by entering the information and pressing Sign Up. Or if you already have an account, you can log into it by pressing on Login under the Sign Up button. When setting up the account, you will be asked for a credit card. This is used for shipping labels as there is a small micropayment per label. When you have entered your information and your card number, you will see the screen. Here we have to press Allow Access. When you have made a Shippo account or logged into your existing one, you will notice that a lot of different carriers have automatically been added. To configure what carriers are enabled and add your own agreements, you will have to go to goshippo.com. Then go to Login and press on Shipping app. And then just log in using your Shippo account. Then press the Settings button in the top right. From here, you can change all parts of your Shippo account. First off, you need to make sure that you have entered your company address. This can be done in the Sender and Return tab. When you have entered your company address, you will then need to go to the Carriers tab. When using Shippo, there is also the option to use carrier agreements made by Shippo. However, for international shipments, this is currently only available for a few selected countries, primarily the US. To use your own carrier account, you will have to start by disabling all the Shippo carrier accounts. When that is done, press on your accounts in the top of the page. Then press on Connect Carrier Accounts and choose the carrier you want. For this example, we will choose UPS. From here, just fill in the information. This includes the account number from your carrier account. When that is done, you will have to press the checkbox about the agreement. You can also choose to enable personalized rates, but for this example, we will leave it unchecked. Because we chose UPS, we will have to log in to our UPS account. When you have logged in, you will be redirected back to Shippo. Then press on Edit to the right of your carrier account. From here, you will need to enable all of the carrier products that is available from your sender address. We recommend contacting your carrier to find out what these are for you. When that is done, save your changes and go back to MEMIDOS. When you are back on MEMIDOS, go to your settings, press on Shipping, and then press on Configure under Live Rates. MEMIDOS has a feature called the Box Packer Algorithm. This allows the system to use the dimensions and weight of your products to calculate what box fits one or more items if packed together. This utilizes 85% of the box for the products and leaves 15% for package filling. This feature is also one of the reasons that it is important that your products have these data filled out. You can choose to use your carrier's boxes or add your own. To use your carrier's boxes, you will have to press on the Edit button to the right of your carrier. From here, you can choose what boxes you want to use. You can add your own custom boxes to the algorithm by pressing on Add Box under Custom Boxes. For this example, let's say we have small, medium, and large boxes. We will then need to name the box. In this case, we will name it Small Box. Now we will need to add the length, width, and height of the box. And then add the weight of the box itself and the maximum amount the box can weigh. When you have filled out all the data about the box, you will then press on Save Box. You can add as many boxes as you like. When you have added all of your boxes, you are done setting up live rates. You can now test that you have set it up correctly by adding one of your products to the cart, going to Checkout, and typing an address in. If the shipping rate is calculated, you have set it up correctly. Please note that the prices you see on this screen is from a test account. You are now finished setting up live shipping rates. The flat rate method allows sellers to set a flat shipping rate for each geographical region they ship to. Shipping rates can be defined for continents, countries, states, and postcodes. This shipping method is great for sellers who want to offer simple flat shipping rates and reuse those rates across multiple products. You can configure shipping by accessing the Store Manager on MEMIDOS, going to Settings, and then clicking on Shipping. Here, you can enable the different shipping methods. Enable flat rates, and then click Configure. You can configure one or more flat rate shipping profiles. A shipping profile defines the flat shipping rates for the countries and states you ship to. Typically, you would create one shipping profile for every class of products you ship. For instance, you might have a heavy items shipping profile for large, heavy products and a light items shipping profile for lighter products. The default shipping profile is used for all products where a shipping profile has not been assigned. The default shipping profile can be changed by clicking the star button next to the new default profile. There are also buttons to edit, delete, and duplicate a shipping profile. Click on Add Profile to create a flat rate. Firstly, give the flat rate profile a name, for example 0 to 5 kilogram. In this example, let's say you want it to cost €8 to ship to countries in Europe, €12 to ship to countries in Asia, and €15 to ship to everywhere else in the world when you are shipping something between 0 and 5 kilograms. Under Region, choose a continent or country and how much the shipping cost will be. I will choose Europe and that it costs €8 when shipping between 0 and 5 kilograms. If you want the same shipping cost for all parts of the chosen continent or country, it is not necessary to fill out the state/county box. Add another region and choose a continent or country and the price of shipping. This time we choose Asia and set the price to €12. After you have added all the continents or countries that have special shipping prices, you have the option to add one region and then choose everywhere else and set the shipping cost to, for example, €15. In this example, it would cost €8 to ship to anywhere in Europe, €12 to ship to anywhere in Asia, and then it would cost €15 to ship to anywhere else in the world. You can make a new flat rate by clicking Add Profile or by copying the one you just made. You can make as many profiles for flat rates as you want. If your first flat rate profile was named 0 to 5 kilogram, you could, for instance, name the next one 5.1 to 10 kilogram. If you chose to copy the one you just made, you then just need to change shipping prices. Once you are done making flat rates, make sure to add the wanted shipping profile to each of your products. The default shipping profile is used for all products where a shipping profile has not been assigned. Be aware that a flat rate shipping profile can only be set per product and not per product variation. This means that for variable products, the shipping price will be the same for each variation. To edit a product's flat rate, you will have to click on Shipping, then click on Flat Rates when editing a product. Under Shipping Profile, choose the flat rate you want for this product. Now we will have to choose the calculation method, which can either be per product or per quantity. Per product means that the shipping rate will be applied only once. For example, if the shipping rate is €5 and the customer purchases 3 of the product, the customer will be charged €5 in total for shipping the products. Per quantity means that the shipping rate will be applied once per quantity of the product purchased. For example, if the shipping rate is €5 and the customer purchases 3 of the product, the customer will be charged €15 in total for shipping the products. Maximum charge allows you to set a maximum shipping charge for the product. This can be useful when combined with the per quantity calculation method. Remember to save your product when you are done editing. You can now test that flat rates are set up correctly by adding a product to the cart and check that the correct rate is displayed on the checkout page. If the box shows the correct shipping price, you have set up flat rates correctly. You have now learned how to set up flat rates. The free shipping method is simple to set up. Currently, it is not possible to use the free shipping method together with any other shipping method. This means that you should only use this if you want to offer free shipping on all your products. To use free shipping, simply choose the free shipping method and press Save. If you want to offer free shipping on some of your products, we recommend that you create a flat rate using the flat rate shipping method. Name it free shipping, and choose the price to be 0, and then choose that rate on the products you want to be shipped for free. That's it. You have now learned how to set up live rates, flat rates, and free shipping on MEMIDOS.